Welcome back to JD's Library. Today's book is Verity by Colleen Hoover. Part 1. A Colleen Hoover's psychological thriller Verity delves into the depraved thoughts of renowned novelist Verity Crawford. Lona Ashley, a poor author hired to continue Verity's unfinished book series, tells the tale from his point of view. The prologue of the book is strong and frightening, hooking the reader right away, as Verity's husband, Jeremy, describes the horrifying incidents that took place in their house. The tension is apparent. The rest of the novel, which is full with tension and the sense of impending catastrophe, is built up by this start. The reader may completely lose oneself in the plot thanks to Hoover's engrossing and vivid writing. A strong point in the character development is Loan, who is both sophisticated and approachable. Overall, Verity's first section is a good beginning to the novel that makes the reader anxious to learn more about Verity's background and the mysteries that exist in her house. Part 2 of the second installment of Verity goes into further detail about Verity's personality and background, exposing even more of her horrifying and perverse psychology as Loan learns more about Verity's life, including a frightening manuscript that she discovers concealed in Verity's office. The tension increases. Hoover's use of the manuscript as a narrative device is especially successful since it enables the reader to directly observe Verity's sinister thoughts and deeds. The text also casts doubt on Verity's narrator's credibility, which adds to the general discomfort and distrust. In this phase, Loan and Jeremy's relationship also progresses, giving the narrative a love subtext. While some readers might believe that this component of the novel detracts from the main storyline, it does give the characters and their motives a deeper level of depth. Overall, Hoover effectively builds tension in the second installment of Verity and keeps the reader on edge to deliver a suspenseful and unnerving continuation of the narrative. Part 3 of the third and final installment of Verity is a wild trip full of surprises that make the reader reevaluate what they previously believed to be true about the characters in the plot. As Loan and Jeremy's marriage is put to the test and Verity's background is finally made public, the tension is at an all-time high. In this section, Hoover's writing is at its strongest. The rhythm and suspense have been skillfully created to keep the reader interested all the way to the finish. The surprising and distressing details about Verity's history give the novel a dimension of dread that makes it both captivating and scary. The conclusion of Verity is guaranteed to cause controversy among readers. Although some will find it gratifying, others will feel that it leaves too many open ends. No one can dispute the impression the novel had on the reader, though, since its sinister overtones persisted long after the last page was turned. Verity is an all-around compelling and unsettling psychological thriller that highlights Hoover's talent as a writer. It is guaranteed to be a remarkable reading experience for aficionados of the genre thanks to well-developed characters, a gripping narrative, and a surprising climax. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.